In this video, we're going to learn how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos using Canva. Before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate if you like, subscribe, and share this video if you get some value from it. So what is Canva? Canva is a great tool for all your graphic design needs. You can use it to create really cool logos, presentations, social media posts, videos, and much more. So today we're going to go through a step-by-step guide on how to create YouTube thumbnails quick, easy, and for free. If you don't already have a Canva account, then you can go ahead and create a free account, or you can use the link in the description where you can get a 30-day trial using the full features of Canva. Let's get straight into the video. So what we want to do first is type in YouTube thumbnail, YouTube, come up here in the search. If you click the top one there. So right now what you've got here, you've got 9,897 templates, which means that some of these will be pro templates. You have to pay for it, or the subscription, and some will be free. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here on the left hand side. I'm going to click free, so it's going to filter it out. It doesn't do a very good job at filtering it out, but it's okay. So what I'm going to do is find one. So can you see here it says paid? So that one will be a paid for feature in the pro version. So what we're going to look at the ones without it saying pay. So can you see here these ones are free to use, and you can use these in the YouTube thumbnails. They are free to use. So I'm going to find one that looks interesting. How about this one? This one looks really interesting. That's free to use. So we're going to click on it, which is going to open up a canvas like this. So can you see? So now what we're going to do is quickly edit it a little bit, just so I can show you that you can edit it and change it about to what you want to. Okay? So what I'm going to write here, something like how to create. I'm going to reduce that size a little bit so it fits in. Let's see how much we need. There we are. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. So I clicked on it, I'm pressing down. How to create YouTube. Yeah, we're going to reduce that a little bit, just for the purpose of this video, so I can show you. Wow, that looks great already. See, I'm going to keep this person in the background. The background feature looks okay. Let me see if I can change the shade to a brighter, say blue, for example. Let's change it into a nope, maybe a blue like that. What do you reckon, guys? A bit better, that, doesn't it? A bit more standing out. Let's see if we can change these corner ones. Change that to a blue as well. Same color blue. But I'm not too fond of the yellow. Sorry. There we go. Blue. So can you see I'm coming up here? I'm clicking on the object, coming up here on the left, and clicking it and selecting the color that I want. You see? There we go. And then what I'm going to do is leave the rest of this as it is. And we'll get rid of that. That isn't applicable. I can put another element in there if I wanted to. So what you can do is come to the elements here and write something like grow. Let's see if there's so it's got that one there again. You've got some. Oh, you can have something like that there. Add that in, drag it and drop it. Everything creating thing. I can turn that blue or yellow. Yellow might be better. Aha. See? So there we are, guys. Like that's as simple as that. You can just go around selecting stuff. You know, if I wanted to change this background color as well, say for example, I wanted it to be a bit of a grey, so I can do that as well. Can you see? like anything you can change within it as well. Obviously, the person color you might not be able to change, but you can change that background color. Let's make it a red. Ah, that looks even better, doesn't it? Look at that! Wow! Imagine having that in how to create YouTube thumbnail thing for your YouTube video. So like I said, you can use all of these. You can upload your own images. You can add text to it. You can add a photo to it if you wanted to. Just drag it and add the photo. Text. You just click on whatever text you want. You want a glowing text. You can add that in, reduce the size of it, and add it in somewhere. It's really good like that. To mess around with. So it all depends. So that's the easiest way to create a YouTube template. So simple it was. You can even use this. And sell this as a service in places like, you know, um, like I forgot to use the word now. Fiverr, that's the one, Fiverr, and like freelancing websites and stuff like that. You can put a service out there. I can create a YouTube thumbnail for you, and and charge a little fee, and come onto Canva and create something like this. You can create your own, or you can do this, what I've just showed you, and and charge them for it. So I hope you like the video, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and share with your family and friends and whoever think you'll benefit from it. I hope to see you again next time. Take care. Bye bye.